This is the first MakerBot Innovation Center in a university library anywhere in the world. It's also the first MakerBot Innovation Center in New England. Now, this is the most significant library with a 3D printing presence like this. So people from around the world, libraries, are going to look to see what happens here.
None of what you see, the Digital Media Lab on this floor and the MakerBot Innovation Center, would be possible without the generous support of the Friends of the Library. This group is made up of over 5,000 donors whose support allows the libraries to provide a level of excellence for today's students and faculty that you see around you.
The center within the newly developed and highly utilized Digital Media Lab demonstrates other core values of the library. First, we serve and we welcome everyone. With more than 1.5 million visitors, which is way more than the students we have, that's for sure, annually through the doors of the library, the physical doors, not just the electronic doors. And now, thanks in part to our donors, we can welcome faculty and students to come and experiment and learn about the wonders of 3D printing.
And because this is a place where more students are going and more different people from different backgrounds and different ways of thinking are going to make things, they're going to think about things, and they're going to share these ideas, that's the way that you're really going to be able to innovate faster, to collaborate better, and to compete more effectively. The library is using the Innovation Center, gives students and community access to something that would have been absolutely unimaginable just a few years ago. So you're going to have some incredible successes here. I can't wait to see what UMass makes.
The library and the MakerBot Innovation Center encapsulates everything that its namesake believed was important about libraries. And I am incredibly proud to be provost of such an innovative university with the library at its very heart. So, all right, now.
Are we ready?
Go. Ta-da!